Hello, everybody. We don't come again as usual. My name's David Oni, and my YouTube channel is David Oni Wiz. If you never subscribe to our channel, I beg subscribe now. I beg you, please subscribe now. As you do, God bless you. Last time I was talking about the types of mutual funds that we actually have. So now today I am going to go into the baba of the purpose of this lecture. We're going to the baba of the purpose of this lecture. And what is the baba? I'm going to try as much as possible to squeeze them. You understand? I'm going to try as much as possible to squeeze them. So the topic might go into maybe 2 or 3 parts. You understand? So that you can be able to have a proper comprehension of that topic. Now, I told you that I'm going to use FBN as a case study of what? Of a mutual fund, which is the one me and use. But I won't go do another one for Stanbic IBTC. And maybe probably I will do another one with Zenith. So that I can have a multifaceted, multi-divergent, multi-diversified mutual fund portfolio. And you know what that means? More diversification, more money. And I told you, don't cast your egg in one basket. It is better for you to diversify your mutual funds. So in this topic, we're going to use FBN Edge or Quest as a case study. Then apart from that, we're going to look at you know what I mean by FBN money market fund, which is what me I do now. And we're going to look at the FBN Halal funds. We're going to look at what we call the FBN bond fund. We're going to look at the FBN balance fund. We're going to look at the FBN dollar fund. And we're going to look at what we call the FBN smart better equity fund. Is that not great? So we're going to look at six fantastic, dynamic, wonderful, great mutual funds that you can actually invest your money into, and you get your investment profit or return on the investment. Now, without much further ado, let me dive into it now. So we're going to look at the first one, which is called what we call the FBN money market fund. Now, the FBN money market funds, aims to uphold what we call a steady net asset value. I'm still talking about that net asset value again. I've explained the meaning of what we call net asset value. So the FBN, money market funds aim to uphold what we call a steady net asset value for the fund. So to achieve what we're saying, it invests in what? In diverse range of low risk money market instruments. There are some low risk money market instruments, and one of them is what we call a money market fund. So what we're saying is that if you invest your money into it, you have what we call a low risk investment. That is, if at all there's anything, you can be best assured that your money is safe and guaranteed, no wahala. But in most cases, I've not had in the that somebody will invest money maybe in a Eurobond or anything, and at the end of the day something happens and you can't get your money. It is not the case in the case of Nigeria here. I've not heard about something like that. It might have happened, but me, I never hear. So it opposes steady net asset value for the funds. For it to invest your money, and for it to achieve this, it invests in low risk money market instruments, such as commercial paper, treasury bills, and the rest of them. So money market funds will invest in what? In the treasury bills, commercial papers, and so many of them like that. So you understand now? So the fund gains interest for investors while maintaining what we call a stable net asset value. So if you put your money in what we call a money market fund, you have what we call a stable, you have what we call a stable net asset value. That is, your money is guaranteed. You have your interest. You collect what we call interest. And the price of what they are selling this thing by unit of share, by unit of share under money market fund is only 100 naira, 100 naira per unit of shares. It's only 100 naira per unit of shares. Now, to invest in the FBN, money market fund, you will need a minimum of 5,000 naira. So it is required that for you to invest in the FBN money market fund, what you need is what? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 naira. You can imagine. And the beauty of it is that at the end of every what? 3 months, quarterly, the distribution is what is being paid. What do we mean by distributions? The distribution is what is your interest. So they pay you interest on every three months. Let me explain it better. When the one way I told you say na money market fund. So they will give you an app where you'll be seeing every day I come to my app and check my money. Sometimes, okay, for example, they say today you've collected 200 naira, 300 naira, 400 naira, depending on how much you put inside. Check it now. That's how they do it. They will pay you like that. Then they will pay you regularly like that. You will collect interest every day for 1 month. Then it will continue like that for 3 months. Check it now. Now that first money wey you first put, for example, maybe you put 5,000 naira there. Check it now. And at the end of 3 months, maybe for example, they give you 100 naira. Check it now. They give you 100 naira. After 3 months, that 100 naira will go up to go and meet your 500 naira, 5,000 naira. Check it now. So it becomes what? 5,100. It's just an example. I'm not saying that's what they will give you. Check it now. Then it will start again, the cycle again. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. After 3 months again, that one, the profit where they don't give you, it will go and meet the 500 naira. Then at the end of the year, every 3 months they will give you. At the end of the year, all the money will be together. For example, maybe at the end of the year, they will not give you about 7,000 naira. So your 7,000 will remain. So if you now decide to invest your money, check it now. Then if you start work in another calendar year, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, is that not great? Now the beauty of it is that you can put your money there at any time. So once you put the money there, just call your portfolio manager. Don't put the money, then you do a screenshot of how much you don't pay into the account. You send out to the person. Then your ID, your investment ID, you send out to them. Your name, your investment ID, and the proof of payment, you send it to the person. At the end of the business working day or the following day, depending on the time you send it, they will credit your account. You understand? They will now send you an email and a message on your phone that your account has been credited. What is more better than that? So you see how your money dey grow every day. So 5,000 naira, because not allow us to suffer. So before they chop more than 5,000 naira per day. So that 5,000 naira wey they take chop every day, put it into your future, so that you can live a very good life. Then the second one, which is what I'm going to talk about, is the Halal fund. Halal fund, because the time is going, so that we can, like I said before, we're going to distribute them or divide this topic into series or different parts, so that you can be able to have a grasp of what we talk about. Check it now. So this second one is what we call the FBN Halal fund. The FBN Halal fund. So the FBN Halal fund is an open-ended mutual fund. It is an open-ended mutual fund designed to meet your investment need as an investor, seeking long-term income generation. Can you see? Long-term income generation. Long-term income generation. Through what we call Sharia compliant investment. She can say Sharia compliant investment. So the other fund of that FBN edge or what? Or the FBN quest is what? Is a Sharia kind of what? Of fund, Shara kind of investment compliant fund. She get now. So the fund investment, it invests in diversified portfolio of assets backed by investments such as we call them one of them is what we call sovereign sukuk. Sukuk. I don't know. Sorry for the pronunciation. Sovereign sukuk. Sovereign sukuk. Then the second one is what we call corporate sukuk. Then the other one is what we call ijara murabah. Yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, please. Murabah. And what do we mean by that? Ijara murabah. It means cost plus markup. Cost plus markup. Then we also have what we call the other one. I think is a musharaka. No, that one means a partnership. Musharaka. That one means a partnership. And we also have what we call the next one we call mudasaba. That one it means what we call working partner. Contract. So all of them are all contracts. They are all contracts. Whether sukuk, whether ija, whether murabah or anything, they are all contracts. Do you understand? So then to get started under this platform or mutual fund, you need to involve a minimum of guess how much? 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. They chop every day more than 5,000 naira. Why don't you invest that 5,000 naira? And the beauty of it is that they are not restricting you to only 5,000 naira. If you have 5 million, you can put it. If you have 500,000, put it. So imagine 500,000 when you put. They put them. Maybe in the year, for example, you are able to put like 1.5 million for the first year. So 10% of 1.5 million is 150,000. Do you see now? Now, if you decide to leave that money, you have 1,150,000 naira. Now, they will not pay you 10% of that money again. On that 1,150,000, that means they are going to pay you 115,000. Check it now. Don't let me scatter my head. Check it. But just know that at the end of every year, there is every possibility that you're going to have about 10% of your investment returns. Do you understand now? So for proper understanding, meet your portfolio manager or financial expert. FBN Edge or FBN company or offices are all over the federation. Just walk in there. They know they use gun to pursue anybody. Just tell them you want to invest money. They will welcome you. They will treat you like a VIP. It's what I've experienced. They will treat you like a VIP. They will put you through. They will lecture you on what, and you now be the one to decide whether it is money market you want to invest or you want to invest into what, into the Halal or euro or dollar fund or anything that you want to invest your money into. And the beauty of it is that you can invest into different portfolios as much as you want. Share it now, as much as you want. Share it now. So apart from that, what we're saying is that you are going to have distribution to unit. What we're saying is that you are going to be paid returns. You understand? Semi-annually. Do you understand now? So you are expected that you are supposed to pay 5,000 as a minimum form of investment, with distribution to unit holders paid out what? Semi-annually. That means I think that should be semi-annually. That should be 6 months or so. So every 6 months or maybe 9 months, you are going to have a return on your investment, which is the distribution. They are going to pay you something back for your investment. Is that not wonderful? That's wonderful. So I've discussed about money market fund now, which is the one we had to do. So, and I've discussed about Halal fund. So in our next topic, I'm going to talk about what we call the FBN bond fund. Then, if possible, I'm going to talk about the balance fund. So I'm going to finish the 6 of them. So if you never subscribe, go subscribe. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye. I remember your humble servant David Oni. Thank you so much. Bye bye.